It's a new month, so it's time for another income report from my Amazon KDP business. In today's video, I want to show you exactly how many books I have sold during the last month of October 2023. I want to show you how much money I made in the last month. And of course, I want to give you a detailed look inside my Amazon advertising, how much money I spent on advertising during the last month, and how high the profit was. So if you like the content and if you want to be up to date with Amazon KDP, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So in the last month, I sold 571 units. As you can see, the lowest sales day was around about 7 units. The highest sales day was around about 30 units. And to give you a detailed look, my top 3 high content books sold approximately 450 times. The first 2 high content books are books on the German marketplace, and the third book is on the French marketplace. After I showed you how many books I've sold, I want to show you how many royalties I've made during the last month. So as you can see, I made 3,252 euros, around about $3,400. Again, top 3 books are my high content books. And to give you a feeling what is possible with high content, my best-selling book made me round about 1,300 euros during a single month. So it's definitely okay to publish books on different marketplaces. Of course, everybody of you knows that the royalties are not pure profit. We have to subtract the ad spend. So in the last month, I made 4,021 euros in royalties. And for October, I made 3,000 euros in royalties, so this is a decrease by almost 20%. Ad spend on the German marketplace, previous month 2,000 euros, actual month 1,200 euros, so I reduced my ad spend of almost 40%. Amazon.com reduced my ad spend of 24%. In the previous month 10 euros, in October almost 8 euros. Amazon FR October ad spend 315 euros, previous month 250 euros, so I increased my ad spend of almost 22%. And the last marketplace, Amazon ES, so the Spanish marketplace, October 85 euros, previous month 81 euros, increased by 5%, and leaves me with a profit of October of 1,559 euros, so this is a decrease of 2%. So now we are at the end of the video. I'm very interested in your results of your Amazon KDP business. Did your royalties increase because Q4 is starting right now, or was your royalties decreasing like in my Amazon KDP business? I'm really interested in your comments. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a very great day.